Hi, my name's Katy Carlson. I'm with Whissel Realty, and today I want to speak a little bit more about the emotional experience of buying a home. For those of you that are incredibly decisive, know what you want, and just want to get it done, incredible. I'm here for that. I'm very much the same way. But because of my background in yoga and meditation and also being a coach for others, I know that making big decisions comes with a lot of emotional uncertainty, and that's what I want to help you with today. I absolutely love making big decisions. It's always been this way for me. And through that, I've had some incredible experiences in my life. And on top of that, I've really been able to evolve who I am as a human being every time that I commit to a big decision. And I know it's not that easy for everyone. So what I would love to do is be able to share with you how I approach decision making and see if maybe it can benefit you. Hopefully it will. The first thing that we're going to do is take the finger off of the pulse of the pros and cons list. I know you probably have one, but we're going to remove the cons for right now and really focus on the things that you do want. We can look at the wants that you have for buying a home, and we can look at the potential outcomes. So the things that are not as certain, and really start to peel back the layers of why those are important to you. And we have to go all the way to the bottom of the why to really decide if this is the right move for you or not. And let me be honest, if this is not the right decision, we can figure that out as well. So let's just say, for instance, you can do this on your own, but let's say that you come to me and I say, okay, you're thinking about buying a home, you're not quite sure yet. Tell me what some of the wants that you have for your home would be. I'll give you one example, and you could have 3 items on that list, you could have 10 items on that list. We'd have to peel back all of the layers on all of those. But let's just use one example. I hear this one over and over again. I want more space. Okay, great. You want more space. Why? Well, there are a lot of different ways that could go. Maybe you're thinking of becoming a parent and expanding your family, or maybe you need an office in your home. Let's use that as an example. Okay, great. You want an office in your home. Why? Okay, maybe you want an office so that you can really have room to expand your thought process, invite clients over. Okay, great. You have more space to expand your thoughts. You can invite clients over. Why is that important? Well, as we uncover, we might discover that you're in phase 1 of your business plan, and having extra space could allow you to evolve and become the incredible business owner that you envision yourself being. So now we're not talking about you want more space, we're talking about you stepping into the power of becoming the boss, the business owner that you truly want to be. This is no longer a want, this is you envisioning who you get to become on the other side of this decision. Now, on the flip side of that, we might not be able to peel back the layers any further than you feeling uncomfortable at your kitchen table. So what we'll do, once we peel back as far as we can go, we're gonna throw that onto a board of importance, 1 to 10. You becoming a business owner and really evolving that business, that's probably a 10. You feeling uncomfortable at your kitchen table, that's probably a 3. But if it's a 10, and if we peel back the layers on all of your wants and you're hitting that 7, 8, 9, 10 level consistently, this should be an easy decision. You move forward, it's a yes. And once you decide, I'm going to ask you, or you should be asking yourself, are you ready to commit 100%? And then it's from there that we get to move on, because let me tell you what, if you hang out on this ledge of indecision, life's gonna pass you by. You're gonna take the hands off the wheel of driving towards your goals, and guess who steps in to take the wheel when you take your hands off? Fear. And that's what we want to avoid. In my next video, I'm gonna really talk about the process of buying a home and how to stay on track. But for now, focus on making that decision concrete. If you wanna tackle this on your own, please feel free. It's really fun to play around with. If you want a little bit of guidance, that's what I'm here for. I am not tied to the yes or the no of buying the home. I am committed to helping you find the decision that's best for you. So let's tackle it together. All you have to do is reach out and we will come to a solution.